Ooh, two little girls. Just two. Here comes Mom. Chicken on him, Mom. Yeah. It's turned to play. Careful, Mama. Careful. I'm not hurting them. It's a camera. I'm just capturing them. Playing. Oh, cute. They are. Next step will be they'll be going out that door right there, which is a screened-in porch. Then the next step is they'll be going down the ladder to the ground. They're starting to get pretty coordinated now. They haven't started on food or water yet. They have it in here. They can get to it if they like some, but they're still drinking Mom's milk. They started coming alive now. It's VR. Ooh. Ooh. I got you now. They play a little gentler than little boys. Woo! Bye, babies.